What's up, chefs and chefettes? I'm back, and today I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite dishes. Well, it's not really a dish, it's a condiment, but today I'm showing you how to make Trinidad style pepper sauce with these simple ingredients.
What do we have here?
I did not want you talking.
Oh, sorry.
I really didn't want you speaking in this video.
Oh, at all?
No, it was just me in this video. It was just gonna be me, not you.
All right, so you want to start over?
No, don't start over. We're gonna just keep it rolling. So, I'm here. I'm here. So when I come back, I'm gonna fire you. I'm gonna fire you and get another cameraman.
I'm not a man.
Camera woman. I'm gonna fire you and I'm gonna get another.
That is insulting.
So when I come back, I'm gonna show you how to make. Wait. Today I'm sipping on Guinness. So when I come back, dab. I'm gonna show you how to make Trinidad pepper sauce, and I'm out. Alright, chefs and chefettes, I'm back. So now we're going to add the ingredients to make our pepper sauce. First thing I'm going to add are peppers. So I'm not making a big pepper sauce, so I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take the orange one. I like the orange one better. Some color. 6, 7. I'm going to take about 7 peppers. I'm going to add that in. You can use any peppers you like. I'm using the Caribbean peppers. You can use habanero. You can use scotch bonnet. Any peppers you like. Next thing I'm going to add is shadow benny. I believe this is called shadow benny or a cow. It's called a lot of different staples in different countries. So I'm going to add some shadow benny in there. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to add a little mustard. Some vinegar. Like I said, I'm not making a big bowl. I'm making a small, so you don't want to add too much. Use your judgment. Hold on, intermission. Guinness. Then you gotta add your little lime juice in there. Did I forget anything? I don't think. But let me know if I forgot anything. I'm gonna add some lime juice. And the last ingredient I'm going to add is a carrot. You don't have to use carrot. You can use a mango if you like. Depending on the flavor, I like the carrot. But you kind of put the carrot in there for texture. If you don't want to use carrots, use a mango. Green mango preferably. I'm gonna chop this up. So when I come back, then we're gonna blend everything. So stay tuned. And I'm out.
Hey chefs and chefettes, we are back and we are about to blend up this pepper sauce. So everything is mixed up together and we are going to blend it nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Can I see your pepper sauce wine?
My what?
Your pepper sauce wine.
What?
Oh, that was not a wine. That was
Because I
a
don't have no music.
that was a joke.
First of all,
That was a joke.
I want to tell you guys it's been a long week.
That was a joke.
been a long week.
The pepper sauce will
I
not.
can't even get this on.
The pepper sauce will not taste good if you don't do a pepper sauce wine. We waiting. Come on, YouTube. Thumbs down unless she does the pepper sauce wine.
Listen, why is my blender not closing?
Excuse me,
Hello.
Tanti.
Yes.
Can you do a pepper sauce wine to make the pepper sauce taste good or what?
What is that?
Tanti?
Do you think it'll help?
Bing 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 bing
Alright,
bing.
no more.
Oh Lord, oh gosh, that pepper sauce could taste blah.
You're evil.
That pepper sauce will taste blah.
You are-
Not blah, meh.
Man.
That is a meh. So we're ready to blend everything.
We're not ready.
Wait, but it looked like you struggling with the blender. What kind of kiss me Ross blender is that? That's why you should have a regular blender with a round lid. But you are fancy, you are fancy ninja skunt. That's what it is. You are fancy ninja skunt blender, and you can't even use it.
First of all,
That is a bunch of chuppiness.
It's your fault.
Oh, good. Well, I think we gonna take a break. Everybody go and get some Cricks and Milo and come back. And when we come back, she gonna learn how to use this fancy ninja blender. Look. Ninja blender. That
I
she...
use it all the time. It's
Good,
your fault for messing
good.
with the blade.
Yay. My back hurting me, you know. Hurry up.
Listen, we're gonna come right back. I'm gonna fix it.
Oh, wait. So we taking a break.
We taking a break. We'll be right back.
All right, so we taking a Milo break. All you go get some Milo, some Cricks, or some tea, and we coming back because she can't use she own blender. That is chuppiness. We be right back. Oh, you see this? Oh, you see it? Look. Look. Oh, yeah, look. Look. Oh,
I said we're coming back.
I'm not recording.
Yes, you are.
Okay, yes I am. All right. We'll be back after these short messages. Chubby, Milo, Buster, Chubby. I'm making a commercial.
I'm seeing you.
I am making a
I
commercial.
see you recording. I see the numbers going.
I'm making the commercial.
I see you.
All right.
Lies.
We'll be back after these short words from our sponsors.
Welcome back, chefs and chefettes. Guess what? I fixed the blender.
Yay.
It only took just a sip of something to drink, and then everything's working fine.
Yay.
You get on my nerves.
Yay. Can you blend my damn pepper sauce already, please?
Don't rush me. Thank you.
Okay.
So I'm gonna blend this on. So for now, just to see how it mixes. I don't even know if y'all can hear me.
Hold on. Wait.
Hello.
You didn't tell chefs and chefettes what's in your cup.
You made me stop this blender to tell them what I'm sipping on? I could have told them.
Yes.
That is ridiculous.
Yes, I did.
This is really nothing, guys. This is some light sangria that I didn't take no time to throw in my fresh fruit. Laziness. That's what this is.
Sangria?
Yeah.
Ain't that like a holiday Puerto Rican drink?
First of all, it's not nothing about Puerto Ricans.
Oh.
What's wrong with you?
Ain't that what them Puerto Ricans drink?
No.
No?
They drink coquito.
Oh, it's coquito. Oh, okay. All right, back to blending.
It's gonna be a long night.
Sucks for you.
You said something?
Pepper sauce looking good.
We're gonna check this.
Can I see?
Sure, come closer. Don't be scared. I don't bite like you. Ooh.
Ain't nobody scared of you.
You scared? You should be.
Smells spicy, don't it?
It does say spicy. You want to taste it?
Ha! I smell it from here. I smell it from here. I smell it from here. How that looking? How is that looking? Ooh, wait, we gotta get that on camera.
Oh.
It look like you choking. Ooh, them peppers is spicy. Ooh. Taste it. Tell me how it tastes.
Just now.
Tell
Right
me,
after you.
Tell me how it tastes. Because I'm not tasting it right now. Because that thing smells spicy.
Now, you gotta let it sit a little bit.
Just let it sit. Tell me how it tastes.
Tomorrow, when we cook it.
Tomorrow. So there you go. Now you got it. Ooh, let me. Hold on. Let me get a finger in there. Let me just get a. I just want to get a little taste.
Yeah, go for it.
Hold on. Don't rush me. Don't. Hold on. Don't wait. Ooh, that is. Oh, that thing flavorful. That thing tastes good. So now, where's the food to go with that?
That's for tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day.
So now we have it. You guys got the recipe to how to make that Trinidad pepper sauce. Anything you want to say?
Stay tuned to tomorrow, because tomorrow we cooking something really good.
Not me. You heard she is cooking something really good. I'm going to be sleeping.
That's crazy.
It is the weekend and I'm going to be sleeping. So y'all stay tuned for what she cooking tomorrow. And it's a wrap.
We out.